And there's a dog. And you just said only they have a shortcut. Also. The घर बनाउँदैछ and यो चाहिँ yeah, he has been very helpful हाम्रो SIM कार्डहरु बनाउने and yep. Okay guys, I'm having rice, white rice and a liver. Jobinaले चाहिँ fish and त्यो चाहिँ के भन्यो?
Pocho, matuki, yam, avocado, and my mouth.
So हामीले भर्खरै खायौं अनि स्यारोनले चाहिँ लास्का भन्ने रेस्टुरेन्ट रेकमेन्ड गरेको थियो हामीले खान नसकेर Oh yeah, I was just taking a picture of the restaurant. खान नसकेर हामी टेक अवे लग्यौं
Like
there, and we are going back to our guest house. Okay. Oh my god.
yeah, I got okay. You see how
It's so hard to see. Oh my god, is that a bar? There's a bar near our guest house. जानुपर्छ जस्तो छ यसमा. And here we are. Guitarri?
So today's like the third day since we've traveled. We're here. This is our last day at this temporary accommodation lab, and we're just packing up. It's nearly 8:30 and we have to leave by then. Look at him.
Hi guys.
But yeah, it's been quite okay. तर कस्तो like a गर्मी हुप्पा परेको अनि आवाजै
Oh my god.
मलाई होइन हुनु त हामीलाई वार्न त गरेको थियो है लाइक नोइजी छ त्यो ठाउँ सो जस्ट कीप इन माइन्ड त भने त बट देन
We never expected to be.
त्यस्तो लाइक आवाज क्या आई नो तँलाई त मलाई भन्नु मन छैन कि त्यो एनीवेज सकिन आँट्यो हाम्रो क्यापेसिटी but catch you guys later. We managed to get like सुत्नु त सुत्यौँ हामी